The thought is the starting point. The power of your thought is the starting point. Because if you haven't got the thought, no way will you be able to achieve it. You'll be running around in circles. So what is your dream for your life? As Henry David Thoreau in 1817 to 1862 said, go confidently in the direction of your dreams and live the life you have imagined. Live your life. But make no mistake, you need to set that clear goal. Because defined goals are necessary for you to achieve your success. And a few videos ago, I did the story of the archer in the field that demonstrated how you need that target to hit. Because without the target, you're running around like a headless chicken. Is that really how you want to live your life? Running around like a headless chicken. So have the goal and have the goal written down like stepping stones, and take one step a day towards where you want to go with your life. And you move closer and closer to the final destination. Because when you've clearly got that defined goal, focus on it, visualize it, see it, hear it, and really feel what it feels like to have achieved it. I'll say that again. Really define that goal, focus on it, visualize it, see it, hear it, and really feel what it feels like to have achieved it. And revisit it every day and believe in it. Then when you move towards it, you are creating your own reality through your own beliefs, your own values, and your own actions. You can achieve it. If ever you need any help in setting those goals, I'm available to help you, and specifically you who are listening to this and are struggling with your life. Please do make contact. I don't bite. Have a great day, and I look forward to communicating to you on my next video. Bye-bye.